And we're back! We are brought to you today by Cheese Nips.
The crunchiest, heavenly little thing on earth. Yeah.
Cheese Nips have real cheddar cheese. Original cheese dozen. Imposters!
They're still yummy.
Yeah. Oh well, Cheese Nips are Cheez-Its. We love you, cheese! Crackers.
Yeah. Anyway, that might be Maggie, but they call me Maggie. That might be Lydia, but they call her Lydia.
Lydia, yeah.
And then Riley, she lives next door. We call her Riley-Anna.
Magatha and
Lydiola.
yo, what's up, dogs? Yeah.
Yola. It's Lydiola.
Woo!
Who likes drinking cola? Pepsi-Cola.
Okay, we get it.
Sorry.
Stop. You want to see my favorite birthday card? Or is it?
Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday! Don't forget the mountain goat. Happy birthday!
You know what the funny thing is? It's not even her birthday!
Woo!
Not even
Cool.
summer yet!
Yeah, my birthday is in fall.
Yeah, October. Mine's 2 days before.
Guess what this one? If you can't, you want a free cookie.
She's hyper on top.
No, I'm hyper on chocolate.
And cheese net!
Chocolate!
Cheese net!
Did I turn it off? No. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, so let's visit my room. We got picture of me and my dad. Picture of me. It's like a Toby. What is that? That's a thing. And a rhino. And a picture. I don't want that. We're so
I'm really
hyper.
grooving this new hair. I'm really grooving it! Grooving it! Groove it.
So we've been having a survey. What do you like more? A French maid, a cat, or a...
Bunny!
But not bunny, it's a bunny.
Yeah, bunny. Bunny.
Bunny. Alright, so we're gonna... Hang on 1 second. It's going low again. Hang on.